Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for gold, also known as XAUUSD, from 21st till 22nd September. So let's begin. We are currently on a 4-hourly chart for the gold, and here what we can analyze is that the market is currently taking a support on a support trend line, which we have highlighted in our weekly forecast, some around here. And here what we can currently see is that the market is currently taking the support on this support trend line some around 1929, and on a weekly forecast we have given an signal to go long. Moreover, we have spotted an support zone 2. This would be in support zone from some around 1926 till some around 1914. As here we can analyze that whenever the market did retest on 28th July, on 19th August, then on 21st August, 24th, 26th, then 28th, 4th September, then on 8th September, and recently we have seen that the market has been retesting this particular support zone, and whenever the market did retest, we have seen that the market did rebound from this particular support zone, and on some around on 11 August we did see a false breakout downwards. Since then we can see that the market was respecting this particular support zone, which tell us that this particular support zone is a major support zone. Now what we can also analyze is our resistance trend line, which is from some around 2008 till some around 1927. This would be the resistance, and this would be the particular zone of this resistance trend line. As explained in my weekly forecast, on 8th August, on 1st September, on 15th September, on 16th September, and recently we have seen that the market was particularly retesting this resistance zone, and we did see that the market did respect this particular resistance zone, which tells us that this is a major resistance zone. Now what can be analyzed is that we are more bullish for the market for the gold. And coming on to the fundamentals, why we are bullish for the market for the gold is due to the fact we have seen an increasing number of COVID-19 patients in America, and moreover we have seen uncertainty or the renewal of political issues or tension within US United States, as we can see that the elections are near, due to which I am expecting more higher high move by the gold, either retesting this particular support zone some around 1920, and then we can see an higher high momentum entering the market retesting this particular resistance zone, or directly we can see that the market has been testing this particular support zone. We can expect that the market could reverse its bearish momentum, and we can see our direct retest towards this particular resistance zone. Thus we are more bullish, and the first opportunity to go bullish would be somewhere around 1928 with our stop losses placed some around 1909 with our take profit of some around 1957 till some around 1960. This trade will give an XU reward of approx 1:1.6. However, the second bullish scenario is if we see a breakthrough this support trend line and a retest towards this particular support zone, that would be somewhere around 1920. Thus our stop loss would be placed at the same area somewhere around 1909, with our take profit would be somewhere around the same take profit of somewhere around 1957 till somewhere around 1960. However, our entry trigger point would be much lower, somewhere around 1920. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:2.39. Now coming on the bearish scenario, if we did see that our stop losses are have hit, which is a very less likely situation to happen, and we would wait for the market to hit our stop loss or to close below some around 1904 till some around 1919. Then that would be an area where we can expect to short gold. However, keep in mind this is very less likely probability that we can see a break a close of an 4-hourly candle below 1919, below 1904. With our stop losses of short would be just placed smaller, some around 1919, with our take profit of recent lows some around 1990 and 1880. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.2. Both trading opportunities are explained. We are more bullish, again repeating. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.